This week on World Traveler Cooking, looking for a new twist on a summer salad. Today we're going to do a Lithuanian garden salad. The ingredients are kind of similar to any other garden salad, but the dressing is a little different. If you like ranch dressing, this is kind of reminiscent of that. I also have a video on how to make your own ranch dressing, which is much better than anything you can buy at the store. But this dressing I actually like even better than ranch. It's simpler, it's easier, and it only has 3 ingredients. So let's go through this. The basic ingredients I'm going to use today are some lettuce, washed and dried, tomato, cucumber, and some radishes. The dressing is made up of only 3 ingredients. We have dill, which you probably could have guessed if you've watched any of the other Lithuanian videos. We have sea salt, and we have the other super typical ingredient, sour cream. You want to get the highest fat sour cream you can get. This one's 30% fat, which is comparable to like a heavy cream, but sometimes you can find heavier sour creams than that. Go for something with the extra fat. So this will be a real quick video today, real simple idea, really delicious food. Let's go get started. So this process is very easy. We're just going to start by ripping up the lettuce, just like we would with any other garden salad. And I think that may be enough lettuce. Then we cut the radishes. We can discard the tails and the tops. And I like them sliced. You can cut them however you'd like. And we're going to toss them on top of the salad. For the tomato, you could slice it. I kind of prefer to cut it into chunks. So what I do is I basically cut it into these 8 pieces here, and then from there, this knife needs to be sharpened, just toss them in on top also, and then basically cut the cucumber however you like. I'm going to cut them into thick half moons, just because I think that is how I like it. And here we have the basic salad. Now the next step is we're going to take our dill and just only use the sort of the top part. Cut this into, here we have about a tablespoon or so, and sprinkle that on top. From here, all we're doing is dressing it. I'm going to take a nice big pinch or 2 of sea salt and season the top of it with sea salt. And then we are going to spoon sour cream over the top. So, nice big dollop of sour cream. The sour cream should be about as much as we would expect for dressing of a salad this large. And then just take your fork and spoon, toss it all together, and toss it until it's done. I'll come back when I've tossed it, and you'll be able to see the final product. Now, to serve, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my salad serving set, in this case just a large fork and spoon, and I'm going to pile it on the plate. Now this is a large salad, definitely big enough for one meal here. And it's always good to have some of the extra veggies on the top. And then I'm going to garnish it with some more dill. And here is our Lithuanian garden salad. And now for the taste test. This is already smelling really, really good. The effect on the radishes is really interesting. The radishes aren't as pungent as they normally are, but the tomato flavor is really, really vibrant. This is just really, really delicious. The dressing, although it looks really thick, accentuates the flavors of the vegetables rather than overpowering them like you often get in many other dressings. Of course, lettuce doesn't have much of a flavor, so it gets a little bit overpowered, but the rest of this just comes out like really, really, really vibrant. So if you find this content interesting, I hope I've earned a subscription from you, and please feel free to like and comment on this video. In particular, if you see something you think I should have done better in the video, or you think other people making this should do that I didn't, please leave that information in the comments. That helps anybody else who watches this video and wants to make the dish, and it actually adds value to what I'm doing. So don't be shy about offering corrections. Sometimes I make compromises for cinematic reasons. Sometimes maybe I don't know better. Sometimes I might even be wrong. I have no problem admitting that. At any rate, I think that that's very important, and it also helps me determine what people are actually interested in seeing next. So, as always, recipe is in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.